Hi guys, and welcome to this video. I am Bernice and I'm a Nigerian currently in the UK studying. Okay, this is a how to do video and it is how to renew your passport in the UK, specifically your Nigerian passport. So the same step you need to get a new passport is the same step you need to reissue your passport if it was stolen, lost, or damaged. But mine was just expired. Okay, this is the old passport from the post office, and because it is how your reissued passport would come straight to your house after just one visit to the Nigerian embassy. If you get things right, you would have a straight, simple experience. Now, the reason I'm doing this how-to video because my passport expired in September 2021 and I've been having so much anxiety of going or to start the process, apart from all the lack of information on their websites, as well as the negativity that surrounds, going to the Nigerian embassy or going to renew passports and all of this, even visa processes. Okay, so this step-by-step video would contain the online application you need to do and the physical application process that you need to do as well. But there are certain things you can do to get ready for the physical process where you now submit your application to the office. Okay, and then you get your biometrics taken, your face capture for a new passport or for a reissuing of passports. Now I'm going to keep this video as simple and straight to the point as possible, but I'm also going to be very detailed because I want to give you value for the time you're going to sit down and watch this. Value packed, and let's get right into it. Like I said, the first thing you need is your C4 special delivery pack. So you need to have a trip to the post office to get this. The second thing you need is a postal order. What is one of the requirements for going into the office. So you go and get this postal order on the from the post office. So you get this and the postal order of £20. So you have to be specific. I don't think you should get more than £20 postal order. And if you're very organized, just get okay. So after you have your special delivery package, you write your address on the to side of it, and you write the Nigerian High Commission. Your to address is your home address where you want the delivery to come to, and the from address is the Nigerian High Commission, 9 Northumberland Avenue, London, postcode WC2N513X, as in X for xylophone. Okay, so you keep that aside. You keep your old passport as well and your postal order of £20, and you're ready for your online application. These are things you need to do before going there. So the next thing you want to do is to go to the Nigerian website. I will do that in this video. After you do the online application form, you fill it from the beginning to the end, and you make a payment of £120 on the website. Now, while you're doing all of this, please do not close your application form after you've done it. You save it on your system, and if you have a printer, you immediately print out your application form because it is also required at the office. So the next step will be to do your payment. After you make a payment, you print out the payment. You print out the acknowledgement receipt as well that you get in your email. After that, you go. Next step would be to get an appointment. Okay, I didn't have one on the day I went, but I will get to the gist later. The next thing you want to do is get your appointment booking from the website, print it out as well, and then you select the date. Obviously, you select a convenient date after you have all these things ready before you go to the office. Okay, another thing you want to have is your NIN. What is an NIN? It's a national identification number that you get on a slip. So it's like a slip. I'll put a picture, a link. It's a slip that the NIMC issues to you for identification. Now you get your national ID card and you think that the document number on the ID card is your NIN. No, it's not. It's different from your NIN number. Your identification number, obviously that's the number. So your NIN slip or your ID, have it by your side as well. Okay, so moving to the UK, I thought I would not need the NIMC slip anymore, so I left it in Nigeria. On the day I went to the embassy, I told my mom, hey, I think I remember where I kept this. Please help me check for it. God bless my mom. And she started to rummage through my old books, my old files, and I remember the exact file I think I must have kept it in, and glory be to God, it was there. And so she was able to find it. She took a picture and I found the NIN, meaning the number you need for the application form. Okay, so I think that's the last thing you need. So if you don't have your NIN right now, you need to go on the website and apply for your NIN. If you do have it, congratulations, write that number out and you're going to have it written on your application form as well, because there's a space for it on your application form. Although people can go to the office without having their NIN, right now, as at January 2022, it is compulsory because of the new government policy for identification of Nigerian citizens. Okay, so let's get right into the step-by-step on how to fill your application form, how to pay online, and print out your needed documents. But for now, this first part of the video already has all the value, all the information you need to be able to go to the Nigerian High Commission office in central London to get your application done. So if you don't need the step-by-step filling of the form, you can exit this video or subscribe. Thank you. So let's get into it.